So glad to have this great chance to have this interview with you to say a little story of my visit here. Actually, it was the first visit here at the beginning of the last year. I was coming with my father, and I was having more information firstly about Mr. Ayman. He is a good man and the man who helped all Iraqis patients. I'm sure every word should be true, right? And actually you know that all current affairs in Iraq was so bad about the war there. And there is no medical hand which we get it there. So the first visit was about my father. He has trouble of heart. Exactly was suffering from valve, artery, coronary, as we have been told about from the physician in Iraq. So we decided to come here to get recovery. Mr. Ayman actually did his best. We will contact him by the phone. What will we do? What will happen? And actually, he is a great person. This is the truth. We didn't know so more about Dr. Verdi, but at the first time, at the first visiting, I discovered that I'm in front of a wonderful man who is Dr. Verdi. He is a great physician, really a great physician. He was thinking, and he is still thinking not of money, but thinks how he laid his helping hand to all patients, especially poor patients, really. And about my father, the operation has been done exactly at the third month of the last year, 2009. Dr. Verdi did his best. I'm so proud of him. It is the truth. Not just me, but all patients who they are come from abroad to India. And the first visit was with my uncle and to my father and wife of my uncle. Was about same troubles, but we were being told in Iraq by the Iraqi physician the troubles of heart of my uncle was to change valve. But when we arrived here, we have gotten the great news from Dr. Verdi. Dr. Verdi told us there is no valve, there is no change valve. It is a simple operation. I think it is so nice to hear that. So all what we had was so nice, enlightening, wonderful. Max Hospital is a great hospital here. Not in India, but this fame was wide all over countries, especially Arabian countries like Iraq. And about my viewpoint, especially, I do hope to give my thanks to all staffs here in Max Hospital, especially our master, our famous, wonderful, great doctor, Dr. Verdi. And this is my little story. Thank you, and thank you for your cooperation.